Nabasogere mwancho murigeria somo gasobono litukeriga ya Jumatano tariki 13. Karibu sana. Ekeonga ne Chinsa Isano na Ibere njenguruka Matildah Obaigwa na kirongo chaka kurase kaunti ya Nyamira chingakie chiga wiki ensengima ose wiki ye ensengima igenderete guchengera obukoreri bwa banyagitari abateresa ose nurses wiki manyakanete buna nurses week asomono bwe Kenya morero nigobono kurase kaunti eyo ono baguchengera emirimo emiya ose obukoreri obuya obwanyareko babugwikiraniwa ase sector eyobowenia ukwana asinyagitari enene ya Nyamira iyo toka meya ward ya township bunge ya West Mugirango nigobono mwaziri bwobochenu kurase county ya Nyamira Dr. Donald Mogoi watrana na baraibande na buigo abanas ono banyarire kwene kyabuna bokoreri wabo wabeire bogokoria buya kusubwa beire bokwena na obuyago cyase abamenyi be county iyo ya Nyamira.
Kuyamona samarita Dr. Donald Mogoi waziri ya afya se county ito ya Nyamira toko celebrate nurses week tune county ntumanyete ngantu bwati kinasi kito tumanyete buna abanasi abanga bali kinyagitari kito nabagarete system yiteganda tekorani nabagarete none nyagitari ya Nyamira kusinyagitari ende yonse tubwati spogari ekorukwe nyagitari igona kiagara tuate abanga ngo to celebrate tukeri na barabo nande namba ibere ngatoko celebrate tukeri na barabo uika to wakikishenga tonyare ko boto gukwana na barabu aseme pange tubwate kuhusu system yetu ya afya na kolingana pia nimepange iri mugaba na bwate nga kuchimutu nkitogo chikokora wakikisha nga egasi abanas nebe egasi ngororo nande egasi supported
togo chengera chinases asigasi engiya nande nkongo beruete kokora asabaroire konya nase singwetera bare amakongo ao lakini andi mono betuma igera kokonya sobugima kwa bantu konya mona sibuna maternity abantu baro abange nurses bakonya abangi na konyora abana bakonya no ni chwodi abantu abange baro nurses nabo bakogendera kushugulikana kabari bagenderete taninga nurses buko bakolega sikoro wale barwire tukubatana twensibe as a team lejikada chinde clinic officer doctors and other cadres
twagwaterende pamoja asokolenda afya ya baroire baito na kubasomia chinjira chinyinge asoko menya buya.
Tuko na hospitali 116 public hospitals ambazo ziko operational of course, lakini zinaweza kuwa kwamba kuna mali kuna upungufu ya wafanyikazi. Tukianzia referral yetu of course, sababu wengi wameretire, wengine wamehamia nchi zingine kutafuta kazi huko, numbers zao zimepunguka sana. So vile board inakuja, matarajio yetu ni kwamba watashughulikia uajiri ya madaktari na wauguzi ili waweze
mwanzo murigire na kurase serikali enene ni gobono abarai ao banyareko yotogia ense ya Kenya kubomone serikali asokwenekia obotoerero kubomono asigikaro ekenene kiukwanira mangana ya magendra sorogongo ro Africa ikyo kyarenge Africa Forward Summit kunyara koera asinjira ere eyo botoerero kigima igati yabo umurai wense ya Kenya Muske William Ruto manyene wakira bakenya buya asokwenekia bunege kariki kyarire asinjira ya akubwatesiwa kusichinkwana chae chigosirwa n'umurai w'enseri ya France omoske Emmanuel Macron uyu barenge kubwaterana ase okubaligania abarai betinsi
We are very proud to be part of this event. Emmanuel, thank you very much for paying us a visit. You're welcome to Kenya anytime. You have demonstrated to us that you are our friend.
Nairobi nyaje. Muko salama.
Sana.
Thank you so much. This is our honor, my delegation and myself, to be here with you. And let me first thank President Ruto, my dear brother, William, because he had to be crazy to accept this offer to co-chair and co-organize a summit like this one. But he did accept. And more than that, he delivered. And I want to thank all the teams and the partners, everybody here, because what you delivered is a very premiere. For entrepreneurs, artists, sports people, and it was very inspiring. So thank you so much. Nobody will forget. And Africa Forward is the beginning of a new era, no doubt. And I want to thank all of you. I want really to thank Kenyan people for your hospitality. And this is something very special because we have the feeling to be part of your people. We have the feeling that this is our place as well. Thank you.
Abakenya abawatani ao kuwa muno abaibuli nigo waboliwe kwene kiabuna banyari gusigita abana babo sabana b'imyaka meke gutumika imitandao yekerero ase Chinsa kire chindonge nigo bono musubati mutangani asensi ya Kenya mama Rachel Ruto bono anyari kubura buna nerebuya gutumika imitandao yekerero ase mirobeli ao anamuno ase abana abali ase chiskuru Orende nekira abori buna ebyombe byonsi bibonete ko orangeriwa nabugo ebigoria bike kotegererwa na ebirengerero byabo binyare kubwateranirwa asoko nikibuna amachiko anyare kobe kwaroro agosira obotumeki bw'imitandao yegerero nakubwa mono asobuya kochase abana nabugo ebigoria bike.
Because today, somewhere on this continent and here in Kenya, a child is sitting quietly with a phone in their hand. They are learning, they are exploring, they are curious, but in that same moment, they may also be exposed, unprotected, and unseen. That is the paradox of our time. The same child is born into a digital world that surrounds them from the very beginning. We are raising a generation inside systems evolving faster than our ability to guide them. Technology is expanding opportunities, but also creating new forms of exposure that are harder to detect. The question is no longer whether children should be online. It is whether the systems shaping their lives are safe, fair, and human enough. Yet our systems of protection remain fragmented. Our responses remain uneven, and our pace too slow. We want to hear directly from children and young people about the harms they face, the opportunities they seek, and the support they need. We want to identify the real gaps in protection, enforcement, financing, education, and community response. Because if we are to design solutions that work, they must be grounded in lived realities, not assumptions.
Ana serikali wetira ase amangana yobonchoreria mangana yebyombe na bwigo obonchoreria obokoboke nigo bono yanyare kwene kiabuna abonchoreria bakabake yensi ya Kenya bono nigo bakonyora kwegendereria na kugendereria ebiasara byabo anomono ase okonyora chilon okonyora makabesa ase ligia na bwigo konyora ogosira kurwa ase serikali na bwigo amangana yebango ko ligererigwa aiga nigakwanekiwa no mwaziri otenete nsemeyo moske Wycliffe Ambesa Oparanya kakoya kwana bosi bwebunge ye Senate Chinsa cha Mambia itukolia lero nigo omoske Oparanya tebire serikali negendete koleta obuya ase abonchoreria abo baokora obonchoreria obokoke me yensi ya Kenya.
The ministry through the state agencies has implemented multiple initiatives to support and cushion small-scale traders against eroded profit margins caused by the rising cost of essential commodities. The ministry, through Micro Small Enterprises Authority, MSEA, has rolled out quite a number of targeted strategies and flagship projects aimed at enhancing MSME resilience, creating decent jobs, and positioning youth-owned enterprises as key drivers of inclusive economic transformation. Some of the intervention and measures include grants and affordable financing, market access platforms, capacity building, digital transformation, constituency industrial development centers, CIDCs, work sites in various markets, modern markets being built, cold storage facilities, formalization of MSMEs.
Kwego ekina kyo gutukutero gosokurusiwa avisi kyo umoske Rigathi Gachagua nigo bono kigenderete ase ikigambiro kya milimani yo mucio Nairobi ichinga kyecho umunyagitari oyo osore kumurwaria ase umwaka w'chiri bubere 2024 na ene kero akurusiwa visi munyekanite buna Daniel Gikonyo nigo bono anyari kuruka osibwe kigambiro ekyo elyo kumwegerera kurengana no munyagitari oyu nigo bono bagenderete ose kurengana n'abawakili nabo igo no munyagitari oyu nigo bagenderete goteba buna Moske Rigathi Gachagua taitwe chingaki chingororo cyo kwegerera ensemo yaye ngana batebire muna kweterase oburire bwaye nigo anyari tukwa kwa bisi atangigeti kwegwa ribaga ryo gotema kurwanirira ekirugo kiyaye.
Cardiologist, what significance do such symptoms have?
Your Honor, you know, chest pain has two categorizations. There's chest pain that can occur if you are going to have a heart attack, medical terms called myocardial infarction. That, when you say you have chest pain in that category,
I would refer the court to paragraph 5 of the affidavit. Basically, the questions are formulated based on what
Unless they specifically state exactly what is new, my Lord, we request that you do allow the witness to proceed with his testimony. You have the affidavit with you? Okay. Please clarify what you meant under paragraph 5 of your affidavit.
Your Honor, paragraph 5 asks, based on my professional expertise, what do these symptoms mean?
Mwanzo murigere asengane yo no to korire kyonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere korinde to busaguska kegera umurobere o vibes on vibes in osa ya asembeo biro evike ebiro bosyo gendera ko yerigereria Getembe TV Ekeonga kya mwamogusi chenkuru kwa Matildah Obaigwa.